All right, we're going to have a look at it, breaking down a vector in various ways. First of all, what is vector v? I'm going to say that v is 5, 4. Now, I could write this vector as a combination of two vectors, one going along in the x direction, one going in the y direction. And I would say that that was 5 in the x direction for the first one, plus 4 in the y direction for the second one. And I could write that. But what we tend to do is we've got a standard vector called I, which is 1 in the x direction, and a standard vector j, which is 1 in the y direction. And then we can write this vector v. Instead of like this, we can say that 5 times I and 4 times j. So it's 5i plus 4j. And that's our standard component form of the vector. The next thing I want to look at is magnitude. The magnitude is just the length of the vector. And so we can see here we've got a right angle triangle. We immediately think about Pythagoras when we see a right angle triangle and I'm trying to find the length. So I would say the square of this distance is the square of that plus the square of that. So I'm only looking for the normal one, not the square of it. So I need to square root the two things I said. And so it's going to be the I component plus the j component. So it's 5 squared plus 4 squared. And 5 squared is 25. 4 squared is 16. So I end up with square root of 41, whatever that is. And the final thing I'm going to talk about is a unit vector. And a unit vector we draw with a little dot, so the lines on here to tell you the magnitude, like with complex numbers. So this little hat above it, we say v hat, that's unit vector in the direction v. So what I mean by unit vector is I want the magnitude to equal 0. Not 0, 1. What am I saying? Unit, a unit. So I want it to equal 1. And how we get that to work is we take our original vector and we divide it by the vector's magnitude. And in this way, we get a new vector, still going in the same direction, because all I've done is changed it by a scalar. But now its magnitude is going to be, well, the magnitude of that would be square root of 41, and then divided by square root of 41. So I could write, we'd usually just write like that, but if I wanted to, I could write 5i over square root of 41 plus 4j over square root of 41.